Solar chargers are like giant, invisible extension cords that let us power up gadgets wherever we roam. But they don't just bring life to the devices that fuel our far-flung adventures. The best portable solar chargers free us to focus on the people, places, and activities that truly fill our buckets. There are many portable solar chargers to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best portable solar chargers from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. EcoFlow Portable Solar Charger. The EcoFlow 220W bifacial portable solar panel is the elephant in the room. By a wide margin, it's the biggest, heaviest, and most expensive of the portable solar chargers we tested. But it earned our top honors because it has a few tricks up its sleeve. The fact that it has solar cells on both sides of the panel means that it can capture more energy than panels of a similar size and power rating. How much more depends on how reflective a surface it's placed on. Flatter, lighter-colored surfaces will reflect sunlight better onto the rear panel, which is rated for 155W. In this regard, a mirror would be the ideal surface and grass would be the least favorable. Despite being so expensive, the EcoFlow 220W bifacial actually represents a decent value. It delivers the lowest price in terms of wattage and the second highest wattage as a function of the panel's area. Number 2. Outdoor Tech Portable Solar Charger. Outdoor Tech Dawn's solar panel was a bit of a dark horse. It was among a few related solar products that the company sent us for testing, but we didn't seriously consider it until we noticed how it compared to other contenders. This solar panel, which offers 2 and 4 times the power, costs $20 less than either of them. So it represents a great value in terms of what you get for what you pay, second only to the EcoFlow 220W bifacial. Other than its value, the Outdoor Tech Dawn is well designed. It's easy to carry since it has built-in handles that magnetically clasp together. Its zip-up pouch stores 3 integrated cables, 1 USB-C for phones and tablets, and 2 DC for charging external batteries. Plus, it sports a standard USB-A port, so you can charge tons of small devices. The module connects to the integrated cables in the pouch and features a digital display that offers real-time feedback about the energy coming in and going out. Number 3. Gosun Portable Solar Charger. It was a close call, but the Gosun Solar Panel Backpack just narrowly edged out the competition to win the solar backpack category. It did so by being minimalist on the one hand and maximalist on the other. The minimalist part is that the Gosun Solar Panel 10 that comes in the bundle is the thinnest, lightest solar panel on our list. Most panels are pretty thin, but this one's super svelte, roughly the thickness of just 2 credit cards. And the Solar Panel 10 barely weighs anything. It's just a hair lighter than the Pale Blue Earth approach, a single panel we've used a bunch this past year that offers less wattage and a little more than half the weight of the only other 10W folding panel on this list. In the name of being sparse, this Gosun panel makes sacrifices in positioning and convenience. It doesn't feature a built-in stand. Though it does have holes in the corners, the bundle doesn't include straps to actually lash it to the backpack, which is a nice bag, by the way. And the panel lacks an attached pouch on it for holding charging cables. Number 4. Goal Zero Portable Solar Charger. Taken just on its own, the Goal Zero Nomad 20 is a decent solar panel, but pair it with the Goal Zero Sherpa 100 AC power bank and it becomes a dynamic duo worth writing home about. In terms of its price relative to its power and its power relative to its size, the Nomad 20 represents an average value on both counts. Its weight is a little on the lighter side of average. Its weatherproofing is good and protects it from dust and water sprays. But pair it with that Sherpa battery, and this mild-mannered solar panel goes from average to amazing. The Nomad 20 charges the Sherpa 100 AC with its integrated DC cable. After unwinding the DC cable enough to plug into the Sherpa, the LED readout on the power bank lights up, indicating how much power it's getting and roughly how long it'll take for it to fill up. It can be a little tough to make out the smaller numbers in super bright sunlight, but it's readable. Number 5. Empowered Lucci Portable Solar Charger. Since we just discussed a power bank with a built-in light, let's talk about a light with a built-in power bank. The Empowered Lucci Power Bank is a crowd pleaser for how little space it takes up in your bag and then gets inflated. But it's also a very well-designed product. For instance, its break-apart straps on top allow the solar panel to be unencumbered for charging during the day and the lantern to be hung up at night. It also has a static strap on the bottom so it can be lashed to your bag, collecting sunlight while you're on the move. In low mode, the lantern is rated to provide over 2 full days of continuous light. It also has a medium mode that could set a 4-person tent aglow and a high mode bright enough to illuminate a small campsite. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know the product price, please check my video description. Looking for any queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.